Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today we will discuss about FOMO, fear of missing out. Because today many of our youngsters are suffering because of FOMO. So, what is this fear of missing out? Suppose you are having your exam. All your cousins are enjoying at one of your cousins' wedding. You are looking at their photographs on Facebook and you feel that you are simply sitting and studying. You are regretting for your own life. That is called as fear of missing out. Or take one more example. You are preparing for some competitive exams and your friend has already joined any job and he is working there and he is doing well, he is growing up. You will be regretting, oh, I have to study all the time and see, look at him, how nicely he has been settled and he has been married, having a good wife, this and that. And nowadays, this FOMO has increased a lot because of the social media. Because it doesn't take time. Immediately they will go for a picnic. They will have a photograph or a video and immediately you will be able to see it. And that is why you are comparing yourself with others. But I remind you, this comparison is unfair comparison. So don't compare your life with others. And nowadays social media is the main cause for FOMO. Then what happens if you regret for your life? Then you might be depressed. You may feel lonely, you will be frustrated, you will be filled with anxiety. So all these things you may have to face. Then how we have to come out from this? For this, first thing is be thankful to God for having the luxuries in your life what others may not have. You may have a good house, you may have loving parents, whatever you are having, you always be grateful to the things what you are having. That is why I am telling you, daily after getting up in the morning, remember 5 things for which you are grateful to God. Do it daily. Then another thing, remember this, social media means not life. That is not the real life. No one is showing their EMI on the social media. No one is showing the fights, the frustration which he is undergoing. Only beautiful pictures, beautiful photos are displayed. Nothing bad is displayed. Remember it. And remember, nobody's life is perfect. Each and every one is having some shortcoming or the other. More than that, have self-respect, have self-esteem, and accept the things what you are having. Stand with your decision. Okay, I have decided not to join the job and I am preparing for my UPSC exams. I am right. I am going to complete it. So stand up with your decision. And actually, shall I tell you, this FOMO means you are regretting, feeling bad for what has not actually happened. Actually, it is not at all yours. Why are you feeling sad? Your interest is something else. What the other person has achieved is his achievement. So, don't think sad for that. That is why you should know that nobody's life is perfect. We are having so many rich people who are having everything. Even then, they are committing suicide. They are not happy with their life. They might be showing the happy life, their girlfriend or boyfriend. They may not show you the fights which they have with their partners or with their friends. So always remember that what you watch on the social media is not the real thing. If it would have been real, why so many stars on the media have ended their life? I remember even now, Simran, beautiful, good-looking girl who was dancing on the beach, whom I was feeling that she is the happiest on this earth. Why she committed suicide? It means what we see on the media is not at all perfect. There is the other side as well. So, you should be happy for what you are having. Never compare yourself with others, at least on social media. And this is quite but natural. See, feeling, oh, he is having, I am not, for time being it is okay. But there is no reason you should have depression for that. You should feel lonely, you should be frustrated, you should be full of anxiety. No, not at all. For a minute, okay, look at it, leave it off. It happens with everyone. It is nothing special like that. So, you have to, for a minute, okay, this is his life, let him enjoy. I will have my life. I am happy with my life. That you should understand. Even in olden days also we used to have it. But because social media was not there, only limited. Because I remember about 50 years back, one my friend's husband, he was working in the bank. His one schoolmate, who was not at all good in studies, who was not good in his behavior, anything. After BSc, my friend's husband got a job in the bank. But that fellow, he was not even able to complete his SSC. But he worked for 1 or 2 years in some garage and he started his own garage. And he was having his own four-wheeler in front of his house. It was, I'm talking about 50 years back. At that time, four-wheeler and all these were luxuries. Now you are knowing, each and every one is having it. It is not a luxury now. But in those days, my friend's husband used to tell, what is the use of doing this BSc and all? That non-metric fellow, he is having his four-wheeler in front of his house. See, this is also a kind of FOMO. But it should be only for time temporary, not permanent. You should not go under this. So if you understand your own self, if you are happy about your plus points, that is I am telling you, daily morning after getting up, show gratitude to God for 5 things what you are having. It might be having a good family, loving friends, good education, good house, whatever it is. If you accept yourself, if you love yourself, then you will never undergo FOMO. Have a nice day.